This is the baking pot. Light brown sugar in there. Spread that around. A little salt, a little pepper. Come on, dude. Put a lot of fucking brown sugar in there. Too much. Where'd my bacon go? Alright. Go ahead and plop these in there. Brown sugary. One more. Oh, shit. Oh, no. That'll work. Clean counter. Don't worry about it. I don't know what I was doing. I was going to throw that egg away. Some milk. What day is it? Wash one in here. Oh shit. Yeah, mind you, this is supposed to be on cooking already. Top right, hot. Dude, that could not work for Gordon Ramsay, dude. I'll tell you that much right now. Any more eggs? Yes, I need 2. Shit. Bread. Dude, why is this one not cooking? This little guy didn't want to cook. Ah! Shit balls. You heard that, dude? I want to let one rip. Ayo! Alright, bacon's coming up on done. Sausage gonna be like a few more minutes. Some eggs, so we can put the toast in. Go out anyway. Heat's not very evenly distributed on this one. That's why I got a little trick. Whoops, sloppy. Alright, let's do this. Not that. It's too big. And we're done with it. Throw it out. Where's the lamb sauce? Fuck, I need more paper towels. Time for the eggs. Ah, you gotta get some of these out, dude. Get all the originals out. They're gonna be too hot or too burnt. Ah! Fuck! That felt good! 370 days till hockey season. I gotta beef it up. Motherfucking rags. Batchy. Why am I trying to flip these when they're not smoking yet? I was like, they've been on there for a while, but I just told myself that this fucking thing takes a while to get hot because it's all uneven. I forgot to do my trick. Fucked them up. Ah! Shit ain't no joke, man. Alright, let's turn this one up. Bottom right is off high. These are nice and sticky and brown sugary. Sausage looks good. Top right, hot. Bro, eggs take like 5 seconds, so we're really waiting on the fucking French toast, which is weird. Never be waiting on the French toast. Just usually have the pan hot. Bam! Ready. But, dude, see, this is a smorgasbord, actually. Even though it's all breakfast shit, I don't know, it doesn't count. It just counts because it's fucking chaotic and crazy, I feel like, dude. I don't know how cooks be doing crazy shit, you know? Just like me, dude, make macaroni and cheese. Like, that's cooking. You do all this, dude, this is fucking science, bro. Or this is like making chemistry or something, dude. This is hard shit, dude. You gotta have timing right on everything. You gotta be fucking paying attention to 20 different things at once. You gotta be wondering why the fuck your French toast ain't fucking cooking. And it's because you pulled this too high, I guess. I don't even know. This pan is too warped. This pan is fuck. This pan couldn't sit flat if it's fucking had my ex-girlfriend's ass. Ayo! God damn, that was a snapper, ain't it? Alright, sausage, I'm pretty sure it's fucking done. Any more done, it's gonna be burnt. Put it over here, keep this shit warm. Little buddies. Oh shit, I grabbed it. That's alright, that's done. These things are done. So yeah, now we're waiting. We're literally waiting on French toast. Never crank her up, dude, I guess. Fuck it. Bottom right. I love how they're both on and I'm like making sure it's on. It's fucking on. Alright, we're starting to smoke. So, go ahead and eggshells in that bitch. You're starting to smoke. Fuck. I don't like this setup. I usually have my eggs in the front, dude. And I don't have a metal spatula. Bro, why the fuck they even make plastic spatulas? What am I supposed to do with this? Fuck me, dude. These eggs are gonna suck. I guess it doesn't matter. They can be on here. Ah! Alright, dude, I ain't know. Totally fucked those eggs up. It's because of my fucking spatula. What am I supposed to do now? We got time to switch if we want to. Oh my god, I forgot I turned the washing machine on last night, dude. Doesn't that mean I got a metal spatula? No? I don't know what fuck happened to a metal spatula. Whatever, man. Look at this. Look at this egg, dude. We're good. Fuck it. Okay. Yo! Bro, what's going on? What's going on with my French toast, dog? We're fucked. What the fuck? Why did that happen? Because I turned it up so high to get it cooking and it burnt. We're fucked. No. What do we do? All right, no, here's what I did. Okay, this isn't the good version of the sandwich I was gonna show you guys. Fuck it. Shit. Gotta adapt and overcome, right? Fucking A. Turn all this shit off. Alright, so usually for the breakfast sandwich, the bread is French toast with sugar spread on it. Sugar and butter, but now it's just gonna be cinnamon sugary toast or whatever instead of French toast. This egg is done. I can't believe I fucked the egg up. Bro, I should have filmed the one I made yesterday. It's so bomb. So perfect too. Every ingredient, it was like the McGangbang, if you haven't seen that video. Well, whatever. We're good. Shit in here. Oh no! Forks in the butter. Damn, bro. French toast choice, dude. That's what makes the sandwich. Oh well. OJ. Alright. Ah, this shit's still hot. Put the extra crispy. Grab this egg just with bare hand. Fuck it. Kobe. This bacon's stuck together, that brown sugar. Throw some sausage in here. This is like the McGangbang. Bam! Little syrup on top, close it, eat it. That shit busting. God damn!